So this time I'm just going to show you how to put signature line in an email. Also, how to put an alias to the Gmails that we are using. For example, for Whitney, the assistant's email is 54177soul.com at soul@gmail.com. I will put this alias to this one. Okay. So first thing, let's look for if you want to look for the signature lines, we just search signature lines and then we click on signature lines updated, and here we go. For example, we want to just download one of these that has PDF, not the JPEG ones, because they cannot be edited. So we download the ones that has PDFs. So and I already did that, so I downloaded this one, put it in Photoshop. If you want to enter, we just click on, we change the name, and then we change the picture. For example, for Jared's picture, we change this picture, and then we just edit the names. Alright, so for example, for Jared's email, so first we need to log into, for example, for Jared, this is his email. So we log into Jared's email. We go to settings. Alright. I think my internet is going slow now. But it's fine. So I'll just wait until it loads. Go to settings. Alright. And then, for example, we want to put that email signature to Jared. So this email is already an alias to Jared's Gmail. So we just select that. I'm going to show you later how we can add an alias. So for this one, let's just remove just to show you how I did it. So we search for the URL of the image. How I do it is that I upload the file to the back end. So I first upload that. So let me just go to coming soon. This is just to get a link to the picture. Alright, so we upload a file. Let's select the file. For signature line, for example, this one is the one that I've created. So we just drag this here. So if we drag that right there, it will upload. And then after that, it goes there. So we click insert. We copy this. Of course, we will not be saving this. So we just want this link. Okay, we just want this link. Right. So we enter that link here, and then it's selected. We select the image, and then the photo will be here. We choose large, and there you go. And then we click save changes, and then the email is there already. Okay. For the next video, I'm going to show you how to add an alias to an email.